What's up, guys? If you haven't already, definitely check out the links in the description below. We've got lots of cool discount links, discount codes for a lot of awesome companies. I'll leave you to the rest of this video, guys, and thanks for watching. Get down here, say cheese. Reagan.
Whoa, not that far.
This way. Come on, get over there. Say cheese. Aww. Hold on, say cheese. Beautiful. Good job. All right, day 2. Still 4 rigs standing. All right, so in honor of Datum, we are going to bypass Baldy and take the big hill bypass because it is 3:20 and we want to hit 404 before they close, and in honor of Datum. So there we go, bypass.
Here's Rick coming up this wonderful stair step.
Round 1, fight.
How's the drop? Okay. You clear on my side. It's all good here. You clear here.
Round 2, fight.
Don't move.
Because it's bottomed out.
But he's gonna jump on the drag, Ernie.
I don't think he is.
Well, let's try. Go slow.
Ready?
Yeah.
Round 3, fight.
Okay, stay over here, guys. Nice. Woo! Look at that. What's up, guys? If you find this video entertaining in any way, go ahead and mash that Chuck Norris button for us. All right, we have made it to the second badge trail, number 404. Look at the mountain over there, guys. Cool, huh? Yeah. All right. We're hanging a left to start the badge trail. We lost one. We lost Mr. F350.
All right, give her hell.
Yeah! suffering from some differential issues, but we do have Ernie and Lucas and Cece and Reggie.
Come on. Just hold that line.
You clean here. You clean here. You good.
Got another
Did you
bean.
get it?
What?
Did you get it?
No, it's still looking. Did he fly out?
He just did.
Alright, we got one of the last obstacles here on 404, which was a very easy badge trail, as suspected by the 3 rating, but I think going up this trail would be pretty much more fun, maybe a 5. So Ernie is going to take whatever line Ernie's going to take. Little V-notch action here. And he's going to scrape the poison oak off of this tree, possibly. That's a good shot. Oh. Yeah. Good. Oh. If you didn't come back passenger at that moment, dude, you feel a little tippy?
Oh, it slid.
Yeah, I know, I saw it. Yeah. All right, here's Lucas. Looks like he's gonna take the same line. Good job, man. Subscribe for more of this. Oh, look at this holy perfect. Keep it between the dishes, okay? What? Well, the gate is officially closed. Oh my goodness. Alright, we gotta get out and figure this out, Jen. Yeah, you got it, Cease. Big hill. Go right a little bit. Yeah, good. Climb. Alright, straighten up. See where you're dropping down? Yep, good. There you go. Nice big hill. Hello. Huh? So you're gonna go that way. That way. Actually, no, go that way. Yeah, good. Good job. Yeah. There it is. Get your boots on, man. I got eyes on it. Look, see it? What are you going to do right now?
I'm doing the old.
All right. Don't go too deep into the marsh, okay?
Got it.
All right. See it? Oh, that thing skedaddled, man. Really? We'll throw the pine cone in for him.
Okay. Mr. Ben.
Oh!
Mr. Ben.
Did you get it?
Yep.
You got it. Good job, E Stubby. No, don't wait, Rig, don't throw it yet. Let him bring this one back. He's sleeping in our bed with us, dude. In that swamp. Say cheese. Smell them.
Smell good.
Yeah, okay. I did. I smelled it on the tree. Say cheese. What is Swirl World? Would you no, we're not getting that crazy. No, put it back now. Come on. You want get an icy, and call it a day. Do you even need an icy? I think you're already hopped up. Say cheese, Reggie.
Yeah, I want to like that.
Say cheese. My goodness. Upon initial inspection after our Stony trip, it would appear that not only did our AC compressor go out and our rear main seal start to leak just before the trip, but probably 100 miles or less from home, we must have blown the boot on our passenger CV because there's just a little bit of spray up here. Hooray! It wouldn't be a normal trip without a blown CV, right? 10 seconds, it says, oh, it's coming